Morning, how are you? This is Carol here bringing you a video. I wanted to show you my pink box. This is the top section. So let me see, I can stand up so I can see. You can kind of see it all there. Right, so I didn't eat my Alpine Light last night. I used to give the ladies cakes and fancy biscuits, and quite a few of them want to lose weight, so I've gone for Alpine Lights at the minute. So this is what I take to my craft class to share with people if I need things. So I'm just going to turn it around again. We'll do one bit at a time. So I've got pins in case people need to declutter their glue. Got this for the dye, getting the dyes out. Got a corner rounder, ruler in case I need it. And then these little embossing tools. Got that, in case people get glue where they don't want it. Got a happy birthday die that I don't know why that's there. Right, water brush, pen, tweezers, and then this little pillow is for when you put that on your card for when you're embossing, so you don't get it everywhere. I've got some glue dots, and then a few pairs of scissors in case people forget their scissors. And it opens. Oh, I haven't got. It opens like magic. And then you've got these layers. So I've got extra blocks with me just in case. I've got some masking tape for the dye machine so that people can position it, and I've got some like 3D foam that people can have. Wet wipes, spare trimmer blades, that's for customer, clear embossing powder, and my heat gun. Now, am I missing anything? Do I need to take anything else? I think that is perfect. So they're kind of double of everything I've got, and they just stay in this, and then I've got the rest. I've got the body of this for my projects. So tell me what you think. What else would you take with you if you were running a craft class? Obviously I've got in my other bag, I've got the Big Shot, and I've got my Stampin' Up bins, and I've got for the laminated thing for them to work on. Let me know what you think. Okay, take care, bye.